Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netspend prepaid card fast method step by step clearly. To activate your Netspend prepaid card, start by ensure you have access to a smartphone or computer with an internet connection. Visit the official Netspend website or open the Netspend mobile app. Look for the Activate Card option on the home page. Click on this option to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your card number. Carefully input the 16-digit card number found on the front of your card. Next, enter the expiration date, which is also located on the front of the card. You may be asked to provide your card's 3-digit security code. This code can be found on the back of your card. After entering the required information, click the Submit button. If all details are correct, you will see a confirmation screen. Your card is now activated and ready for use. You can also activate your card by calling the customer service number. Simply dial the number printed on the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts to enter your card information. Once your card is activated via phone, you will receive a confirmation. You can now load funds onto your card and start using it for transactions. Remember to sign the back of your card for security. Keep your card in a safe place to prevent loss or theft. Enjoy convenient access to your funds with your newly activated Netspend prepaid card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.